Hey everybody, this was an interesting article that I saw on CNN and I wanted to just kind of show everybody really quick. I'm going to read it to you so I'll leave the link below and you can check it out and read it for yourself. But this starts out, a lot of people who buy bits of physical gold aren't looking to make a bracelet or ring. They buy gold because they believe disaster is imminent. These investors are convinced gold will spike to 10,000 an ounce. It's currently around 1,200. When the U.S. government implodes, said Peter Hugg, an executive at metal retailer Kitco. Hugg calls these people crazies and says they form a substantial amount of the U.S. physical gold market, at least 25%, a quarter. It's no secret that gold has long been viewed as a form of insurance against disaster. The thinking is that even with the financial or political system collapse, gold will still hold its value. The yellow metal is also widely known as a hedge against inflation and collapse of the dollar. Those are two things gold bugs have been deeply worried about given the massive amount of money printing that the Federal Reserve has done since the Great Recession. The end of the world trade. Hugg's comments inside the ETF conference last month may raise some eyebrows because he is an executive at one of the largest online retailers of precious metals in North America. These so-called gold crazies provide lots of business for Kitco. He said their influence is most obvious in the market for smaller units of physical gold between 1 and 32 ounces. These investors buy the metal and it just disappears. It goes under their mattresses. They want to use it when the world ends, Hugg told CNN Money. I'll leave a link for the whole entire article. It's not much longer than that. Peter Schiff is interviewed, and it's funny. He just kind of does a similar dance, Oh, I don't tell people just to buy gold, and don't just buy gold. You should invest in other things too. And he never points out why he never tells to sell. They don't really ask him that. But it's a good article, and it's funny. But it's funny that at Kitco, one of the major precious metal dealers in North America, calls 25% of the gold market in America, people that buy gold in America, crazies. That's great. So check this article out when you have a chance. Thanks for listening.